What I'm going to mount on this wall is more than just a set of stall bars. For me, it's an important step on a journey I've struggled with basically my whole life. Hear me out. For as long as I can remember, I've had unhealthy eating habits and I didn't do enough sport. I always felt that being physically active was sort of a strain and that it was a duty and I didn't enjoy it. And a couple of months ago, I sort of took inventory of my life, and I'm nearly 50 now, and I thought, well, I really should consider improving my health and fitness because, well, I'm getting older and I want to stay fit. And this time, for some reason, it worked. And these stall bars are an important step for me because for months I've been doing resistance training here in my bedroom with just my body weight and a set of dumbbells. And I'm really at a point where I'd like to get better and improve, and where I've stayed with these exercises for over 30 consecutive weeks, which makes me really happy. And so installing these stall bars is another visible step for me to actually commit to that journey and to stay on that path and to actually keep doing this. And I have a couple more ideas for additions to the stall bars to do more exercises and so on, but for today it's just the stall bars. So as I said, it's not just a piece of equipment or some home gym equipment. For me, it's really a commitment, and I'm really happy that I've built them and that I can mount them to the wall now. Now that the glue is dried, I'm going to cut these sides to their final shape. At the top they're going to be a bit wider, the rest will be a little bit less wide, and then I'm going to drill the holes for the rungs. So it seems that this was the last clip for which the microphone jack was properly plugged in. From here on, it seems I didn't record any shop noises, so it'll be some background music. I apologize, but what can you do? have to drill about 8 centimeters deep into this brick wall. This wall has water pipes and power lines in it, but luckily when we renovated the house I took a picture of the wall from the other side, which gave me a fairly good idea of where the cables or the power lines and the water pipes are. So I placed the holes in areas where I think there are none. I'm now going to use this this power line finder in the exact places where I've got the holes marked. I'm not completely sure that everything's going to be fine, but I'm pretty sure that there is no power and water in the spots where I placed the holes. Wish me luck. Rock solid. Great. So it's finished, and as I said, I'm really happy about having this. It's in my bedroom, so every night when I go up here I'll be reminded of the journey that I've taken, and I can now do a lot more exercises. I'm planning some additional devices for that, like a pull-up bar that can also be used for dips and so on. If you're also interested in other pieces that I built, I recently built a bed for my daughter, in the course of which project I got a bit nervous about an important step, so the video is here right next to me. So I hope to see you back soon, and bye bye, take care.